Yo everyone, Krauser here, welcome back to my channel. Today we're reacting to Jairo birds. I've seen a lot of people talking about this one especially because of the atmosphere and musical direction. So I'm really curious how the composition builds, how the drop hits and how the visual connect with the sound. We're going to watch it twice. First time for the raw feeling. Second time to focus more on details and structure. Alright, don't forget to like, subscribe and let's get into it. Let's go. Push the start. Okay.
My pen goes back and forth ここはどこ本当の自分は Lost in the city 隠す癖ついた爪が光ってる Life is too short
Wow. Okay, the intro already feels emotional. He's not rushing into beat. He's building space first. That usually means the drop is going to matter. That's amazing. Wow. That's so clean.
Fresh up your mind. Imagine trio. Oh my god, three balls. 雨の日だって羽ばたく
Amazing. Listen to the layering here. The harmonies are subtle, but they fill the background nicely. It doesn't feel empty at all.
Let's get ready to be. Put your hands up.
What? What's that?
What are you doing?
Whoa! Wow. That transition was smooth. He didn't force the switch. It naturally evolved into the next section. Alright guys, first lesson done. Now we're going back in. But this time I want to focus more on structure, layering choices and how he builds emotional progression to start to finish. Alright, let's run it again. Okay, let's go again. Yeah. Smooth start. The rhythm here is very controlled, it's not aggressive, it's more expressive. He's focusing on mood over impact.
My pen goes back and forth ここはどこ本当の自分は Lost in the city 隠す癖ついた爪が光ってる
That feels a weird song, not just books. Listen. How do you do that? Wow. Okay, that section added intensity. You can feel the emotional rise without it becoming messy. That balance is hard to do. Wow. Unbelievable. I can't believe this.
Let's get ready to be. Put your hands
What?
up.
Listen to this. Wow.
What are you doing?
That's insane. The visuals actually match the sound really well. It feels cohesive, not just a beat, but a concept. Wow. Alright, after watching it twice, here is my honest opinion. This wasn't about being the loudest or the most technical. This was about atmosphere and control. Jairo focused heavily on emotion and cohesion. The structure felt intentional from beginning to end. Nothing felt random, every layer had a purpose. The drop wasn't meant to shock, it was meant to elevate to mood. What I personally liked most was the consistency. He trusted the vibe and let it develop naturally. If you're expecting something explosive and aggressive, this might feel subtle. But if you appreciate musical storytelling and atmosphere, this hits differently. For me, this is strong beats musically. Not chaotic, not overdone, just controlled the expressive. Let me know what you think. Did it hit emotionally for you? Or were you expecting something heavier? If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Take care. Peace.